These 7 local foods can do what expensive supplements can do, balancing your blood sugar level, and the 7th one will shock you. Hello there, if you just see me for the first time, I am Amara, aka the Mom Scientist, and all I do on this channel is share tips and tricks for reversing insulin resistance and diabetes naturally. If that's a thing to you, consider subscribing and joining our family of metabolically health conscious individuals. The first food on my list is garden egg or eggplant. We'll call it anyara in the eastern part of Nigeria. This food is great because it has low glycemic index. The glycemic index is a scoring tool for categorizing carbohydrates based on the rate and speed they release the sugar contained in them. So food that have low glycemic index are the ones that release the sugar content slowly, while food with high glycemic index are the ones that release the sugar contained in them quickly. So, garden egg has low glycemic index, is rich in soluble fiber, and this soluble fiber helps to slow down the rate sugar is absorbed in your system, which is a good thing for your blood sugar control. Another beautiful thing garden egg does is that it helps preserve your pancreatic tissue. Your pancreas is the organ that produces insulin that helps regulate your blood sugar. Garden egg is one of the best food to snack on as someone living with diabetes. The second food on my list is okra or lady finger. Okra also has low glycemic index and contains soluble fiber. Another beautiful thing about okra is that it contains antioxidant that helps to reduce oxidative stress. If you have diabetes, you know that oxidative stress can worsen your symptoms. So okra helps in tempering down oxidative stress. In a literature review done by Bahari and his colleagues in 2024, where they analyzed 9 different studies on okra that showed its ability to reduce fasting blood sugar level, glycated hemoglobin level. If you don't know what that is, I will drop a link to a video on that in the description. It also lowered total cholesterol and low density cholesterol, that's the bad cholesterol. So because okra doesn't just improve your blood sugar control, it also improves your lipid profile. The next time you want to prepare soup, make sure you put plenty okra in the soup. The third one is unripe plantain, which also has low glycemic index, but it contains a powerful molecule known as resistant starch. And this resistant starch is quite helpful in keeping you full longer, slowing down sugar absorption, and improving your gut health. You can eat unripe plantain boiled or roasted. The fourth one is bitter leaf. Though a lot of studies on bitter leaf were carried out on animals, not on humans, but bitter leaf has been shown to have hypoglycemic properties. That means that it helps to bring down your sugar level. It's better incorporated in soup than taken as juice. If you are taking the juice, please ensure you drink in moderation and that you consult your healthcare provider. If you're going for the juice, please ensure you take it in moderation because it can be harmful to your kidney and your liver. And consult your healthcare provider before taking bitter leaf juice, especially if you're taking it alongside drugs. The fifth one is beans. Beans is rich in protein and fiber, which keeps you full longer and of course a good thing for your blood sugar control. But pair your beans with vegetables. The sixth one is avocado. Avocado contains healthy fat that helps stabilize your blood sugar. So it's another good food you can snack on, but take in moderation. So the 7th one is sweet potatoes. I know because it's sweet potatoes, many people would think that it's not good for diabetes. It is actually diabetes friendly because it also contains resistant starch like unripe plantain. And what this resistant starch does is to slow down the rate sugar gets released into your blood. But you have to take it in moderation and with vegetables. Sweet potato is better eating boiled than roasted. Boiling it keeps its glycemic index around 46, but when you roast it increases the glycemic index close to 100. So eating your sweet potato boiled is better than eating it roasted. The bonus tip to eating sweet potato and unripe plantain and getting the full benefit is to allow them to cool down before you eat. Allowing this food to cool down before eating activates the resistant starch, which keeps you full longer and of course helps your body to deal with sugar better. If you got value from this, like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends. See you in the next one. Bye bye.